Hello everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we have the Bachmann number 22 South Pacific Coast Anniversary Edition with version 6 chassis, for those of you who care. And we are towing a string of mixed passenger cars today. We have a Bachmann Coach and Bachmann Observation and Combine car with LED lights that are recently installed. And then we have a couple of Hartland Locomotive Works cars in between, a couple of little coaches. They don't match guys, but you know I do like the Hartland coach cars. They're very nice, and they kind of remind me of the cars that you see in Petticoat Junction, for those of you who are familiar with that show. Anyway, let's get it going and you can watch it go. Got the sound on today and no smoke. Really get the same cannonball with this new power supply. It goes really fast. There are two more Bachmann passenger cars in the coach. Well, there are two coaches out there from Bachmann. I'm sorry, a baggage and a coach car. There we go. From Bachmann for the South Pacific Coast. They look like those yellow ones there. Those are really hard to find. I haven't seen but a few on eBay over the last couple of years, but maybe one of these days I'll get them. We'll see. But now I got the South Pacific Coast cars, and I really like them because they go really well with the 440. A little bit small for the 460, but for the 440, yeah, they worked out pretty good. See how my LEDs are working just as I designed them to. Only one of the Hartland cars is lighted. Just has regular lights inside there. Doesn't look too bad, huh? And by the way, this is the first time I run that one lighted Hartland car. I got it a couple months ago and I haven't run it since. There's a caboose in my closet which is brand new and never run, but that's for the South Pacific Coast. That's very rare. So I don't know if I'll ever run that or not. I made up my mind that somebody fell out and look at it like, Anyway, we're going to hang it up after this last pass. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching as always. Have a great one. Bye-bye.